All right, Ms. Black, you may proceed.
So that's the way of bringing your dishes in the bathroom. You change the extra garbage down pretty much. We can get them. Just go brush your teeth, dirty stuff. Cars, you're gonna have no cars for bath time.
Come on, Bears.
But no, no, have me.
Come on.
I'm the man in the
No, come on, maybe later.
If here's a coach, go, we're gonna do bath time, and get your cars from your room.
Okay, man, we gotta go.
No, Alan.
No.
No, Alan can't.
There, let's go, hurry. Oh no, you have no cars. You have no cars, oh no.
No.
Go get your cars.
You're going to sit here. I want to see the screen from the camera. Don't block it. Don't try to be tricky. You check.
The Holocaust.
You have to make something?
No, I have to just.
You have to watch it?
No, I have to like move the things. Okay. No.
What are we doing on the trouble?
I'm looking at it.
To what?
Nice.
What's the bowling hat on it? What's all this stuff? Huh?
It's nothing.
So what were you just in?
Weird here.
Huh? Step aside. Are you doing anything you shouldn't have done?
No.
Playing any games?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
ahead, sit there. We'll put the air on.
Monitor.
Sit right here. Sure?
Yeah.
Tell me now.
There.
He said he was done with his homework, but he was still on his computer because it's something to do.
What were you searching?
This customization thing.
What?
Customization thing.
You're supposed to be doing that on your Chromebook?
Restricted, does that mean you should take $10?
No.
Right.
So you finished all your homework?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, alright, take the Chromebook then. Take it. So you say you're searching customization?
Now publishing January 10th, 2022.
Ready? Let's go. make your bed.
Ms. Black, are we at a stopping off point for a 10-minute break? Let's pause it. Let me go ahead and take a 10-minute break now. All right, before we get started, let me just make an announcement. I've been advised that there have been some instances of people taking photos with their cell phones or electronics in the courtroom. That is expressly and specifically prohibited unless you are a member of the press. It's been pre-authorized to either video. These proceedings are to take still photography through our publicity coordinator. Anybody else is not authorized to be using their electronics in the courtroom unless you are an attorney or involved in either the state's legal team or the defense's legal team. Anybody else should turn your electronics off at this point, because I can't have anybody violating the rules and taking photographs or audio recordings of these proceedings when they've already been expressly advised prior to this that they shouldn't be doing that. So that's the court's ruling. Unless you, again, are a member of the either state or the defense legal team, or an attorney, or a member of the press that's already been pre-authorized to take video or still photographs. Everyone else should have your electronics turned off at this point.
It's 5 hours ahead.
So it's still correct?
Yes.
So you'll deal with that in closing arguments and explain it if that's something that needs to be explained. But okay, all right, so if that's something that either side wants to address in closing arguments, you can do it. It doesn't sound to me like it's a problem with the evidence per se, and it's not even a problem that...
It shows UTC and Eastern Time. It shows both on the screen.
All right, and for those individuals that just walked in prior to my last announcement, you're supposed to, I made an announcement that unless you're an attorney, member of the press, or a member of either the state or the defense's legal team, all electronics are to be turned off at this point, because I've been advised of instances of people taking photographs with their phones. And so because of that, I'm going to now have to invoke the rule that nobody have their electronics on except for the people that I've authorized. All right, so with that, everybody ready for the jury to be brought back out? All right, Mark, you may bring them out. All rise.
Jury entering.
Zoom for the court's morning docket. The morning docket has concluded. So if you were here for an 8:30 hearing, your matter has now been concluded. So you can go ahead and sign off. If you're here for the trial in State versus Ferriter, you can remain logged in. But otherwise, if you're here for the morning hearings, you can go ahead and sign off. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, Kent is. So, only everything that is learned, he's a white. So, that's it. All rise.
The way that it was from the rest of the family.
I'm sorry.
Is there a negative impact associated with the social and physical isolation?
Experiences.
I think we talked about in general a child that this would be harmful. If a child has specific, because of their history, has behavioral issues or maybe even a medical diagnosis, does that change whether or not this is an appropriate type of punishment for a child?
Our sessions. And the pediatric records around that time aren't real documentary of extreme behavior problems either.
Yet and then the parents respond, often the exact same day by email.
Objection as to hearsay.
I haven't.
Let him finish his question, Ms. Copeland, then you can make your objection. But you are, let me have you approach. Is sustained. Next question.
Doctor, now, I don't know, a couple hours ago, I asked you about the ability to opine on a diagnosis without having evaluated a patient or an individual. And you'd asked me to show you the section may I approach, Judge?
You can approach Ms. Coakley first. Explanation as to what you think you want to do? Right. All right, so I'll punt right now. I won't do anything, but I am going to want to address it at the earliest opportunity that you've had a chance to look at it. Ms. Murad, you look like you have something for me. Have anything for me?
Oh, I can just explain what it is, but I can wait.
Okay, yeah, let Ms. Coakley take a moment to look at it, and all I really need to know for scheduling purposes is there's something I'm going to have to address and rule on. So as soon as you folks come to that determination, let me know, and then I'll do what I have to do as far as scheduling. All right, so we'll be in recess.